Yo guys, I found a brand new method to get eSign on all iOS devices, guys. iPhone, iPad, doesn't matter, and all iOS versions. So guys, this is working absolutely flawlessly. You can get any IPA files, guys, sign anything, sideload anything using this app, guys. It's super easy to do. I've got it running absolutely flawlessly, guys. You don't need to pay for anything to get this. All you guys need is your browser, and no computer is required at all, okay guys? So you can get, this is basically how to get eSign without computer, without having to do anything crazy to your device or anything like that, guys. You can get it straight on your iPhone, iPad, all versions, all devices, whether you're on iOS 18, iOS 26, iOS 27, guys. It runs absolutely flawlessly. You can install IPA files, you can sideload apps, you can basically get anything you guys want using this app onto your device. You don't need no JIT is required, no computer is required, no jailbreak is required, and you can do this literally just using your browser in Safari, guys. It's simple 2-minute process. You don't need to do anything crazy at all, guys. It's honestly the easiest way on how to install eSign in 2026 for sure, guys. And like, it'll also work on iOS 27, which is great. So you can get any IPA files, set them up on your device using this method, guys. So if you guys just follow my tutorial, I'll show you guys how to get this eSign app. Like I said, it's like a 2-minute process. I tested this out on multiple versions of iOS, multiple iPhones, multiple iPads, and it's running absolutely flawlessly, guys. I tried so many other methods and tutorials. This is the only one that actually worked, like my guide for sure, guys. Without computer as well, without jailbreak, without JIT, and none of that stuff. Okay, guys, so let's get into it and let me show you guys how to do this, and how to get this eSign app. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop open our browsers, guys, and we're going to head on over to here. Okay, so just get this typed in. And okay, so that's where we're gonna get the eSign app from. Okay, let's get that typed in, guys. And basically, once you get that typed in, you want to just hit the go button. Now, once you hit the go button, so there it is, guys, in case you guys can't see. Once you hit the go button, you want to just search for eSign. So there it is, eSign. Okay, and you want to just tap on that. So there it is, guys. Get eSign app for all iOS and Android devices, guys. As far as I know, this actually does work on Android as well. So to get this, guys, literally all you guys do is just tap on here and you just hit the start button. And once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now, once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. So basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. And basically, when you get these apps and do their instructions, it initiates a file transfer to your device for all the files for that eSign app. Within a few minutes of doing the instructions properly, guys, it'll basically initiate a file transfer straight to your device for all the files for eSign. Within a few minutes of doing it, the eSign app will load on your device. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back and do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. Okay, guys? So don't rush through the steps or anything like that. Just be patient with it. Take your time. And just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. If it doesn't work within a few minutes, you did something wrong, you need to go back, do more of the apps. Honestly, guys, I recommend just doing all of the apps straight from the start. That's what I did, and it worked flawlessly for me, okay, guys? So, yeah, just take your time, be patient, don't rush through the steps or anything, guys, and you will be good to go, okay? So, that's how to set up eSign on iOS 26, iOS 27, iOS 18, and 2026 on iPhone and iPad. All iOS versions, guys, without jailbreak or computer or anything, or JIT or anything like that, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. See you guys in the next one.